Henry Redmond, and I am an escaped slave, and I am helping the Union Army as a camp servant and scout. Now, I was escaping from the Fredericksburg area during the occupation of Fredericksburg, which many people don't know about, but the Union Army comes here April 18th, 1862, and they stayed till early September 1862. During that time, between 10,000 and 12,000 slaves will escape from Fredericksburg and the surrounding area. Many of us are going to go to Washington, D.C., and at that time we're going to get jobs, so a lot of us get jobs with the Union Army. I'm going to get a job basically because I'm uncommon for a slave. I know how to read and write, and could not let anybody, any of the white people in the city know that, but once I'm with the Union Army, I can do that. And since I know how to read and write, I am going to be a scout as well as a camp servant. Now I'm going to go with the Union Army to Second Bull Run and to Antietam, and after Antietam I hear about the Emancipation Proclamation. And I hear rumors that there are going to be U.S. colored soldiers. So since I'm around the Army and I'm a scout, I'm going to learn as much as possible about the Army, and then I'll come back as a U.S. colored soldier.